Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix PayPal money on hold. So what we're going to do, make sure you will have logged in, and if I just read the article from before you reading this article, you will just select your personal or business account simply as well. So how can I release my payment on hold? So log into your account and click on know your options under your PayPal balance to see if you can help release your payment on hold. You may be able to release eligible payments by following one of the below steps. Number one is that at tracking, use one of our approved shipping carriers and we release the hold approximately 24 hours after the courier confirms delivery to buyer address. And second, update the order status if the held payment is for service or intangible item, example piano lessons, ebook, and will release the hold 7 days after you confirm the order status as completed. Number third is print shipping labels. With us, we'll tracking the item and release the hold approximately 24 hours after the courier confirms delivery to buyer address. And in rare cases, after these steps are completed, we may need to hold the payment for up to 21 days. For example, this can happen if we notice an unusual change in your selling pattern. So to add tracking information or update an order status, you will just go to your activity, find purchase you want to update, and click get your money. If you sold a product, choose product to add tracking information or print shipping label. If you sold an intangible item for service, choose service or virtual product to update the order status. You can update the order status to completed, pending, or cancelled and click to submit. So in this way, you will just fix PayPal money on hold. You will as usual for up to 21 days for waiting time. After 21 days, it will be just release your payment. This was an first payment when you just received or sent. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.